All right, today guys, we're going to be going over changing the engine air intake filter on the Ecotec 1.4 liter turbo. This is the cover for the air filter, and this is the filter that we're going to be installing, which is an AC Delco A3229C, which has a GM number of 251-99250. And to get this guy off, you just need a T20 Torx bit, and you need to remove these Torx screws that are holding the top of the cover into position. So there's one here in the upper left. And they're kind of long. And then there's another one right here. Then after we get this guy, I believe that's it. This one's kind of hard because you've got the hood retaining bar in the way. All right, he feels like he's out now. Probably don't even need to come all the way out. Just enough so that you can get in here and lift this guy out of the way. All right, and then the old filter, you just kind of grab the edge, pull it out, and then all this debris in here, you need to vacuum out. So we're going to vacuum all that out, and then we'll show installing the new one. All right, guys, we've got this vacuumed out, nice and clean. We also went ahead and put some of the vacuum effort down here where the intake is, just in case there was some debris that hadn't quite came all the way up. This little seal here. We're going to take our AC Delco air filter, replace that aftermarket one that was in there. And there's only one way for these to go in, right? This rubber piece sits on top and it rests right in there like that. And then we're going to come over here. This guy back in. So what you see is you got a couple of tabs here. I'll show you what I'm trying to do here, guys. You got an opening here, here, and here, and you just need to get this to slide in before you push. All right, guys, so those three slots, there's a little bit of a dance you have to do. You got to get the first guy to go in at an angle here. And then once the first guy's in, then the other guy will go in too. And then once you see these tabs stick out, then you know you've got it. At that point, when you close it, you should be all lined up to put your Torx retaining bits back in. Screws, rather. And the job's done. So the only hard part on this, I would say, is just lining up those slots that we just showed. That's why I wanted to show you a couple of different angles on that. If you got any questions or comments otherwise, go ahead and leave it below and I'll try to help out. If you found this useful, go ahead and give us a like. Let's get the video out there, other people can see it. As always, thanks for watching.